Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Levine, and today's video is going to be on how we can cancel running workflows in AEM. Sometimes we need to just outright import a workflow, so I'll show you how we can easily do that through the user interface. So going to my Tools tab under the Workflow section, there's a few different tabs we can get into. But the one we're going to focus on today is the Instances tab, which allows us to view and manage running workflows. And we can see I have two workflows that have been running for quite some time now. Or I've had one workflow been running for a few weeks. I mean, that could definitely be a case-by-case basis. Maybe I'm waiting on more information to complete a certain step of a workflow, and what have you. So in order to stop it, I can click on the workflow, and I could just outright terminate it. But I could also do some other uh, things with it. I could, open history. I could see, where this workflow is currently at in the state. I could view the payload, rename it, or I could terminate it, which will stop the workflow in this tracks, and it will be stopped running, and the task will be removed from any users who might have a task on the workflow that they need to complete. And that's simple, very easy to stop a workflow, which, you know, in in turn could also be a bad thing. So you might want to limit this functionality to admins or only those with the right authorization to do something like terminating the workflow. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like, please comment, and please subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.